Hi students, good morning. Yesterday, in previous class, we have discussed rate measure. It's rate of change of quantity. Okay, derivative of y with respect of x is denoted by dy by dx. Okay, rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to acceleration. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity ds by dt. Rate of change of area of circle dA by dt. Rate of change of radius dr by dt. Okay. If it is positive, the rate of area increasing. If it is negative, the rate of area decreasing. Okay. So previous class we have discussed up to third term. Today we will discuss question number 4. Question number 4. An edge of variable. This is exercise 6.15 marks. The weightage of this topic. They will ask one question from this topic. From this exercise only. And fourth question, an edge of a variable q is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the value? How fast is the value of the q? Increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long. When the edge is 10 centimeter long. See, an edge of variable q. This is the q. It has so edge of q is x. All sides are equal. All edges. And edge of variable q is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Edge we say we took as x. Let x be now x centimeter, x be an edge of q. An edge of q. Yes. Edge of variable q increasing. An edge of q increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. What is the meaning of this? An edge of q increasing means edge we given x. We consider as x. Then increasing x means dx. With respect of time, dx by dt. Are you following? Increasing means positive. How much it is? 3 centimeters per second. If it is decreasing, you should write here minus. Are you following? This is rate of edge of q. So rate of edge of q and edge of q increasing at the rate of both are same. Right? This is given. How fast the volume of q? Volume of q denoted by v. Let volume of q equal to v. Volume of q is v. So how fast is the volume of q means increasing when the edge is centered around. How fast is the volume of q means dv by dt. dv by dt we should find. So that means rate of value. So rate of value equal to dv by dt. Rate of value dv by dt. And next the given x is equal to 10 centimeter, right? So we should find dv by dt. To find the dv by dt, what is the formula of volume of q? V is equal to x cube. So volume of q, V equal to x cube. dv by dt equal to d by dt of x cube. dv by dt equal to x cube differentiation 3x square into x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. So 3x is x equal to 10 square and dx by dt is 3. So answer is 10 square is 100 into 9, which is equal to 900 cc per second. This is dv by dt. What is the here? Positive or negative? Positive. Therefore, the rate of the value of q increasing at the rate of 900 cc per second. So value of q increasing at the rate of 900 cc per second. 900 cc per second. Which is very important question. 5 marks question is the last 20 times. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. And waves move in circles. Waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. This is question. You can see, you can write the question from the notebook, from the textbook. You can correct it. Now I am going to explain directly. A stone is dropped into quiet lake and waves move in circle at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. That means, for example, this is a lake is moving like this. So like this, the waves move in circle means waves. What will be increased? Radius will be increased. Waves, first one wave, second, third, fourth, like this. What will be increased? Radius. So a quiet lake waves moves in circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second means the rate of radius. Rate of radius means dr by dt. That is radius of circle is r. Okay, dr by dt equal to 5 centimeters per second. Understood? A stone is dropped into quiet lake and waves move in a circles at the speed of 5 centimeters. At the speed of 5 centimeters circle means what changes here? Radius will be changed. Radius will be increased. So that is dr by dt. So rate of radius is 5 centimeters per second. Increasing here means positive. That will be increased only. Here positive given means increasing. Next, further, at the instant when the radius of circular wave is radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter. That means r equal to 8 centimeter. The rate of radius of circular wave is dr by dt is 5 centimeter per second. Further, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Means we should find dA by dt. Area of increasing, area of circle, area of wave circles equal to dA by dt. This we should find. Tell me the area of circle is A is equal to pi r square. dA by dt equal to d by dt of pi r square. Pi is constant, d by dt of r square. dA by dt equal to pi r square differentiation 2r into dr by dt or derivative with respect of this dr by dt. 2 pi r is given how much 8 and dr by dt is 5 into 10 into 80 pi centimeter square per second. This is dA by dt. The rate of area of circle increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter per second. This is the 5 marks question. Rate of area of circle increasing at the rate 80 pi centimeter square per second. Question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. The radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. That means radius of circle is r. So it will be increasing at the rate means dr by dt equal to 0.7 centimeter per second, where r is the radius of circle. This is given. What is the rate of increase? Its circumference. Rate of circumference is dc by dt, where c represents circumference of circle. C means circumference of circle. dc by dt we should follow. Okay. What is circumference of circle is 2 pi. So circumference of circle c equal to 2 pi r. Now we should find dc by dt. Apply differentiate with respect of tan on both sides. dc by dt equal to d by dt of 2 pi r. 2 pi constant dr by dt. 2 pi dr by dt equal to 0.7. 2 into 0.7 equal to how much? 1.5 dc by dt equal centimeter per second. This is rate of circumference of circle at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Question number 7, which is most important 5 marks question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. The length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. 5 centimeter per minute. Rectangle. This is x. Length of rectangle. Breadth is y. The length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Means dx by dt equal to decreasing minus 5 centimeter per minute. 5 centimeter per minute. Understood? Now, further, the given width y is increasing and the width y is increasing. Width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. 4 centimeter per minute. Width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute means dy by dt increasing positive 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter, y equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rates of change of a perimeter and area of rectangle. There are two questions. Perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. First question A. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Perimeter of rectangle. Now we should find rate of perimeter. Rate of perimeter means apply differentiate with respect of tan. dp by dt equal to d by dt of 2 into x plus y. dp by dt equal to 2 constant dx by dt plus dy by dt. This is called rate of length of rectangle. This is called rate of width of rectangle. These both given. dp by dt equal to 2 into dx by dt is minus 5 plus dy by dt is minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. The rate of perimeter of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Minus represent decreasing. Rate of perimeter of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Now the second B question. B. Find area of rectangle. Rate of area of rectangle. Tell me area of rectangle. A equal to length into breadth. xy. Now let us find dA by dt equal to d by dt of xy. dA by dt equal to u into v x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. X into dy by dt 4 plus y into dx by dt minus 5. Okay, so dA by dt equal to 4x. X already given. What is the x value? 8 into 4 plus y value 6 into minus 5. 8 into 4 32 minus 30 equal to 2. So dA by dt equal to 2 centimeters square per minute. Okay, this question number 7. The same way, example 4. Do yourself. The homework is example 4, page number 196. Page number 196. This is most important. Try yourself because just now I said like that on similar problem. Example 4. The length of x rectangle. Only numerical will be changed as it is the question is. That you try yourself. Now question number 7. 7 is one. Yes. Question number 7 is and that example 4 both are same. 8. Question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter cc of gas per second. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation. Spherical means sphere. Okay, sphere. What is the value of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes, is being inflated by pumping 900 cc for gas per second. What is this? Inflated by pumping 900 cc for gas per second means dV by dt equal to 900 cc per second, where V is the value of sphere. Where V represents value of sphere. Right? Find the rate at which the radius of balloon increasing when the radius is 15 cm. The radius of sphere equal to r equal to given 15 cm. Then we should find rate of radius equal to dr by dt. How we can find dr by dt? By using value of sphere. Tell me the value of sphere. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. dV by dt equal to d by dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube. dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi constant d by dt of r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube differentiation 3 r square into dr by dt. 3 get cancelled. 4 pi r is equal to 15. 15 square into dr by dt. dr by dt is, let us find dr by dt, and dv by dt given 900. This is 900. Right? Therefore, 900 by 4 pi 15 square into 225. Correct? 15 square to 25 dr by dt. Simplify here. 25 9 to 25. Yes. Next 25 to the 50. Remaining is 40. So how much? 400. 400 means 25 8 16. 25 16. So 216. Correct? 216 into 25. Is it 900? 216. Yes. 900 by 25. Here, done mistake. 25 is 75. Okay, 75 is meaning 50, 120. 6 36. 45 is 36. Okay, 9 4 here. Or direct 4 by 4 also. Cancel. 4 get cancelled. Okay, how much? 1 by pi. dr by dt equal to 1 by pi centimeter per second. Question number 9. A balloon which always remains spherical as a variable radius, which always remains spherical has a variable radius, with respect of radius, not time. Okay, means dv by dr. The meaning is dv by, not with respect of time, with respect of radius, dv by dr. Find the rate which its value is increasing with the radius. When the radius, find the rate which its value is increasing, means dv by dr with the radius. Value of sphere with respect radius is dv by dr. dv by dr. And the radius is given r is equal to 10 centimeter. Then we should find dv by. So value of sphere v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we should apply differentiate with respect of radius, not by time, dv by dr. So d by dr of 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi constant, r cube differentiation 3 r square into r derivative with respect of r is 1. This get cancelled. 4 pi, r value is 10 square. So 100 into 4, 400 pi cc for centimeter.